What are the problems of unexpected pregnancy? Because of the sexual relationship, unexpected sexual relationship, or high risk sexual behavior, or premarital sexual relationship, there can be unintended pregnancies. So, these unintended pregnancies can occur in the adolescent age group, married young girls, unmarried young girls, premarital pregnancy. All these things will have many problems. For an unmarried girl, an unexpected pregnancy can cause lot of fear, frustration, tension, and then depression. So difficult to face the parent and how to tell the parents and how to face them. So sometimes even these girls with their friends, they can go to some quacks and have an illegal abortion, and then resulting into all the complications of an illegal abortion. And if for the married young girl also, if there is an unexpected pregnancy, that can have lot of effect on the body, her body, and also to the child. The mother or the young mother can have pregnancy complications, anemia, toxemia, hypertension, gestational diabetes mellitus. All these problems can occur to the mother. In a similar way, the baby also may not be born well. It can be a growth retarded baby, small for date baby, premature baby, or there can be death of the baby inside the uterus. There can be problems during delivery, increased incidences of operative delivery. All these things can lead to the disturbed health in the mother and also to the baby. So, if it is an unmarried girl, again the problems will be even more, because the girl also will be scared to tell the parents, and she cannot tell anybody, she cannot go to doctor herself, she cannot get proper health care facility. All these things will lead to lot of problems in an unmarried girl or the young girl. The other thing is that if there is a pregnancy less than 18 years of age, so that comes under POXO Act, Prevention of Sexual Abuse to the Children Act. So according to this POXO Act, that has to be reported to the police. So that becomes even more dangerous for the young girl less than 18 years of age. So all these things are problems of unexpected, unintended pregnancy.